Hi, I have a key fob from a Volvo S40 V50 and some C70 models, and I will show you how to replace key fob battery. Behind the remote there is a screw similar to this one. I'm gonna choose a screwdriver that fits the best, and this is the smallest one that I have. I'm gonna see if it fits. Has a small play on it. I'm gonna skip this one. I'm gonna try the second one. Number 2 screwdriver has very small play on it. I'm gonna skip this one. Number 3 screwdriver has a good grip, so I'm gonna keep this one. So I'm gonna skip number 4 screwdriver. It's important to use the right screwdriver so we don't strip the screw, which is gonna be impossible to remove it afterwards. So first we're gonna remove the key. To remove the key, we're gonna push on the locking mechanism over here and push the key out. We're gonna open the screw. And open the remote cover. The battery is on this side, and this side of the remote we don't want to flip it over because we have locking mechanism over here, and we have the circuit board that can drop out of the remote, so we don't want to make things complicated. We're just gonna leave it the way it is. So we're gonna remove the battery. The battery is CR2032. This is the new battery that I have. So the positive is over here inside the cover. So we're gonna put the positive facing the cover. Flip this over. And when we put the cover, we're gonna put it slightly at an angle at this side and push it down and hold it together. And put the screw back. And that's it. Thanks for watching.